Hello everyone, I recently found this tool named KNIME, or probably KNIME. So this is basically an open source data analysis tool that you can use very easily. It's not complicated as other tools like Power BI or Excel. Even Excel for data analysis is a little bit complicated. What is interesting about this tool is it's powered by AI, and you can just drag and drop the components to make your workflow. So the components are generally called here nodes, and these nodes are the functions or the tools or the features that are gonna be part of your workflow. So for instance, we want to open an Excel file in this tool. How are we gonna do it? There is this node called Excel Reader. This is basically, let's take it from here. This is basically the node that's gonna be used to open Excel files. For example, I just drag it from here to here, okay? This is my workflow sheet. It is blank for now. And I want to fill this Excel Reader. I want to give it the instruction to open an Excel file. What I'm gonna do, I will just double click on it, right? And then it gives me this page where I can either put a file that I have already on my laptop, or I can choose a file that's in a folder. For example, let me browse to see what is available for us to check. I already had a file that I wanted to experiment on. Desktop, allow. Okay, so let me do something. This is the idea. We just come here, browser, and we select the file, then we click on apply. Okay, this is how we're gonna make this Excel Reader open the file. Now I will go back to the workflow that I already made. There is the file and everything, but just to save time, because I cannot do this video in more than 5 minutes, let me just try to tell you how, if I want to analyze the data, for example, from this Excel file, I want to make a graph or something like that. So the other thing we need after we read the file is filter. For example, a column filter. Depending on your data, you can just choose it, and you have to link them together. For example, here I'm just gonna link it to this one. Column filter. Okay, after the column filter, if I want to have, for example, a bar chart as for data visualization, I will just connect both of them. Okay, and this is how you build workflows. There are many other things you can do. You can modify the data types. You can create reports, see? And all of this is open source. This means you don't have to pay. There is every type of data visualization charts. There is the VLOOKUP, there is the aggregators, there is the splitter. There are also many other options that we can see later. So this is basically how we construct them. Let me go back to the one I already made before. It is this one, okay? So here I put the Excel Reader, okay? And this is the file that I already used. It is here. Its name is client2orders. And if you see here, it will give me the data in this one. You can see the data from my Excel sheet here, and even here you can see it. Down here you can see the data. Now what I wanted to do is present some bar charts. Let us see what happened here. With the column filter, I just selected the order number, the order value, and the customer name, and the payment status, and the delivery estimation. So I excluded some columns that are irrelevant to me for my analysis, okay? So here, when I created the bar chart, you can execute it, and it gives you the analysis, Okay, so this is the analysis. You can even change it here. You can choose which variables you want to use, which columns. If you have any other advanced settings, you can choose them here. And this is the pie chart. For the pie chart, also I got this one. So basically, with zero knowledge in data analysis or data visualization, I just come here and drag and drop the nodes. And of course, you need to learn how to do that. You need to learn how to manipulate this tool. You need to know what exactly you're looking for, because the tool is not going to do everything for you. Although they really have something that's called the AI assistant. This is just requires to log into the website with a username and the password. And then after you log in, you can just come back here and use the AI assistant, and the AI assistant will let you ask questions. Probably, I haven't tried this yet, but I'm gonna try it and make another video. But you can also ask, I think you can also ask about what you're gonna do, what you want to do, and it will suggest to you some workflows. So this is really very easy, like it's not more than 3-4 minutes to construct your workflow, to fix the parameters, and then to get your charts ready for use.